Namaste Andy, welcome to Osa. In today's video, I will show the three different color combinations, same fabric, different designs, and Adbhutamaina concept. This premium quality soft silk material saree you received at just rupees 1,750 free shipping all over India, and we have more than 4,500 plus designs in our website. So must be visit our website www.vastranand.in, and you can download our application in Android and iOS device. Let's start the video. First product, you receive the light peach color combination with Adbhutamaina contrast Rani pink color combination, the Retapeta border part with the middle parts. You receive the Bantex fusions double picket style border in both side of the saree parts. Entire the body you receive the Telugu buttas in a Meenakari concept. Here you can see the rich pallu with a contrast Rani pink color combination with a golden zari weaves the rich pallu, and pink color combination the resin thread tassels part. Here you can see the full body part. In entire the body you receive the light peach color combination and very beautifully crafted the double ikat style border in a Rani pink color fusions in a both side of this saree part. This saree you received at just rupees 1,750 free shipping all over India. Let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece you received the dark Rani pink color combination, the plain blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like G.I.D., share G.I.D., subscribe G.I.D., our YouTube channel, and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand IND, and our customer care number is 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. You can call with a total 6 multi-language support we are providing: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati, Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing. If you need our entire collection via wholesale, then wholesale facility also available, as well as reseller facility also available. So must be connect our customer care number 8154000063. And if you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call service is also available. So must be booked one day before your video call facility slot. Here you can see the second color combination, dark magenta color combination with a pistachio color combination border part, as well as rich pallu with a light pistachio color combination and dark pistachio color combination resin thread tassels part. The saree also you received at just rupees 1,750 free shipping all over India. If I talk about the softness, then here you can see the very beautifully crafted delicate fabric, premium quality, lightweighted and affordable price point. The saree you received at just rupees 1,750. Here you can see, if you need to strip this fabric, then easy to carry, easy to wrap. Here you can see the very beautifully crafted soft silk material with a contrast pistachio color combination plain blouse piece. Let me show you the last but not the least, the double ikat style fusions, the dual tone effect, orange with red color combination in body parts. Here you can see the orange red color combination body with a contrast pink color combination, the same size border in a both side of the saree with a temple fusion. Here you can see the same size border in a both side of this saree part with a temple fusions in upper part of this border. Let me show you the pallu part. In pallu parts here is the pink color combination rich pallu with the same golden zari weaves in entire the pallu parts with a Rani color combination resin thread tassels part. Here you can see the orangish red color combination in entire the body with a golden zari weaves. Let me show you the closely. Here you can see the golden zari weaves in entire the body parts, as well as the pink color combination, the heritage designs on this pink color combination kanchi style border in the both side of this saree. This saree you received at just rupees 1,750 free shipping all over India with a pink color combination, the plain blouse piece. Was Madi Anandam Medi. Buy now at Vastranand.in.